Welcome everybody, my name is Sergey and I am an eBay power seller. I sold thousands of different items on eBay over the years, and in the following graph that you're going to see in the bottom of the screen, you'll actually be able to tell of how much money I was able to make over time selling items on eBay, and in the past few years how much I was able to make as well. So if you want to learn how to become an eBay seller, you got to take this newbies course, because this newbies course is going to teach you all the basics that are required for you to become an eBay seller. How to get started, what you have to do, how to set everything up. All the most important things that you have to know to get started are going to be covered in this class. You're not going to miss anything. So once you're done with this course, you'll be ready to take more advanced courses that's going to teach you everything you need to learn about how you can become an eBay power seller as well. So enroll in this class. You'll learn everything you need to know how to become an eBay seller, how to get started on eBay. See you on the inside. Good luck to you.